Hi, my dear friends and the wider RPN network and the UiPath community. Greetings to you all. So this video is mainly to express my thanks to you all, especially for selecting me as a most valuable professional for UiPath for the continuous second year. So I am sincerely thanking you all for your wonderful support throughout the last year. So I take this opportunity to thank few of the most valuable people that have helped me in the recent years uh, throughout this journey to make this a great successful. So first of all, I would like to thank these wonderful community managers for their excellent support. And these people are most active members in the community. So driving all of the MVPs and all UiPath professionals in the community with their most wonderful events throughout the year. And they kept us driving. So I thank you all for your wonderful support. And next, I would thank all these 20 professionals who have been selected for the past year. So I got the opportunity to work with them as part of the closer community group, where we have contributed for many ideas and for some product features and in various meetings. So I thank all these professionals. So you kept me driving throughout the year, and I am amazed with all your ideas, and you helped me grow even better for the last year. And finally, I would like to thank all the new MEPs who have been selected for this year. So which is quite a big list. So there are other than there are 61 top automation professionals. So they are the leaders in the world. They are handpicked by UiPath based on their pure dedication to the community in terms of contribution with some ideas and with a lot of contribution with videos, learning tutorials, and many other contributions. So I think this year going to be even more interesting with these amazing professionals. So they are going to contribute to the community with more ideas and more knowledge. And I'm really excited and looking forward to work with all these professionals. And there is one main aim for me. So I need to at least catch up with these people at least once in this year to make some contribution videos or any type of learnings I want to share with them, and also get their knowledge and feedbacks. So which will even help me grow better, also to serve the community in a better way. So I sincerely wish and many congratulations to all of you. So you all are really great. It has been a wonderful experience working with all the 19 professionals there. And I enjoyed the time that I contributed in terms of the reboot work, and as well as many other initiatives that has been done by UiPath. I really enjoyed participating in many of the meetings and suggesting to the product features and in terms of some ideas. And I'm sure this year is also going to be amazing with all the wonderful MVPs out there. So I have many goals to achieve this year, and top of which is, as usual, it's a robot for every person by UiPath. So I will mainly echo that goal to the community. So in terms of some contribution videos and tutorials that I will be sharing to the community, I just want to make sure I deliver properly towards achieving this goal. And I have already started last year my YouTube channel, which is to automate anything as part of my company. So I have started contributing few videos. So I'll be sharing the screen and showing you. So this is the channel I have started last year. Let me quickly walk through on my channel. So I have two playlists here, which is RPA Foundations and the UiPath Advanced. So I got Foundation few videos, and the UiPath Advanced I have the RE framework. And similarly, I will be posting more videos in the upcoming weeks or months. So I'm going to start a new series of learning UiPath here for the RPA Foundation as part of the RPA Foundation program, or for clearing the certification, the RPA Foundation as well as RPA Advanced. So I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel to get those videos. So every Thursday I will be posting a video on this channel. So you can expect a video here for at least a 30 minutes video, so which will help you understand all the basic concepts or to clear the certification. So this is not just a thank you video that I create. So also I want to contribute back to the community in some form. So this is one way that I have decided to give back to the community in terms of my knowledge sharing. So if you see, I have already done some videos, so which shows I am capable of doing even a basic topic as well as any advanced topic. So let me consider the people who are entering into the RPM market or start learning the UiPath. So I mainly focus on them and start contributing this video on weekly basis. So you can expect some video here. I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button if you like it, like my videos, and share it to your friends as well, so that that may be useful for them to learn UiPath. Excellent. So I hope I have covered most of the things. And finally, I thank my dear friends who have supported throughout this period, and congratulating me in LinkedIn for my achievement. And yeah, let me see you in another video soon. So every Thursday I'll be meeting you in a video as part of this UiPath MVP contribution. And until then, I wish you all the best, and stay safe and stay happy. And thank you all. Bye.